Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet book cover design model. A crochet book cover is a protective sleeve made using crochet techniques to cover and safeguard books. It can be customized in terms of size, design, and color to suit individual preferences. Crochet book covers not only provide protection to books but also add a personal touch and aesthetic appeal to them. Here are some tips for crocheting a book cover. Lining option. Consider lining the inside of your crochet book cover with fabric for added protection. This can prevent the book from catching on the yarn and offer an extra layer against wear and tear. Use a stitch marker. If you are following a pattern with repeating stitches, use a stitch marker to keep track. This ensures a consistent and polished look throughout the project. Adjustable design. If you plan to make book covers for different sized books, create a design that is easily adjustable. This way, you can adapt the pattern for various books' dimensions. Experiment with closures. Explore different closure options such as buttons, snaps, or ties. This can add a functional and decorative element to your book cover. Mix stitches. Combine various crochet stitches or techniques to create a unique and visually appealing texture. This adds interest to the cover and showcases your crochet skills. Practice seam techniques. If your cover requires stitching multiple pieces together, practice niche and invisible seam techniques to create a polished finish. Measure your book. Take accurate measurements of your book to ensure the cover fits snugly. Consider the thickness of the book when determining dimensions. Select appropriate yarn. Choose a double yarn that complements the size and width of the book. Cotton or acrylic yarns are often good choices for book covers. Choose a pattern. Decide on a crochet pattern that suits your skill level and preferences. You can go for a simple stitches or try more intricate designs based on your expertise. Gauge swatch. Create a small gauge swatch to ensure that your stitches match the pattern and that the cover will fit properly. Add a flap or tie. Consider adding a flap or tie to keep the book securely closed. This can be a functional and decorative element. Remember to adapt these tips based on your skill level and personal preferences. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.